How to start chat thread with a client. TaxDome chats simplify how you communicate with clients, send messages, automate follow-ups, and keep everything in one secure place. There are 3 ways to start a new chat. First, from the main menu. Click the New button at the top, choose Chat, enter the necessary details, and click Create Chat. Another way is from a client's account. Open the Communication tab within the client's profile and click New Chat. You can also go to the General Communication tab and select New Chat. Need to start a conversation with multiple clients at once? Use the bulk messaging feature. Go to the Client's Account section, select the clients you want, go to More Actions, and choose Send Message. You can use a chat template or write your own message. Then create chats. Documents and client tasks can be added to these threads at any time. You can also set up automatic reminders to follow up with clients who haven't replied or completed their tasks. You can configure how often reminders are sent and how many will go out. Reminders stop automatically when the client responds, completes all tasks, or once the set number of reminders has been sent. They'll also stop if the chat is archived or reminders are turned off. Now, let's look at the chat thread from the client's perspective. Whenever they receive a new message, they receive notifications through email, the TaxDome portal, or the mobile app. They can click through from the notification, view the message, and respond directly. The message content is not displayed by default in the email notification body. However, if the content is not sensitive, you can choose to show it in the email by toggling it on in your account settings. You can access the read-only view to see the sent message from the client's perspective. Unless restricted, clients can start their own chat threads from the portal or mobile app by clicking New Chat or Message Firm.